that I think people should do over and above looking for the next magic bullet is try and work out what helps them calm the nervous system down. And everybody's a little bit different here, but there's a few basics: breath work, stopping, removing emotional stressors, trying to get out of a hectic environment if you possibly can, and creating an environment where you can yourself just, not just physically, but also metaphysically go, because I think trying to interrupt some of these vicious cycles which are going on in the system can only really happen when we stop the system itself throwing more fuel on the fire, which is what's happening when we're in this chronic state of fight or flight. And that's kind of what we have to get out of before we can start the recovery journey. We at least have to try and create whatever windows of calm we can in our day and try and continually build on those. And that's where the people who I have seen recovered are the people who've done that successfully. Doesn't mean that that's a guarantee to recovery, but I think it's a precursor for most people.
Yeah. No, I think I agree with you 100%. You know, in order to heal, you have to have a sense of safety on the cellular level. Okay, especially when you're dealing with an inflammatory process. I mean, I know whether the bug is there or gone, it doesn't matter. When the system is stuck in inflammation, that's fear. And I refer to, one day I'm going to have to try to get a small vignette with Dr. Navio just to talk about the healing cycle of the cell danger response, but the idea being that it's at the cellular level, it's at how your mitochondria are reacting is what's creating the self-defense, which is there to protect you. But if you stay, protected all the time, you can't heal. Because you isolate. Each cell is isolating. It's not listening to the other cells in the body in a harmonious way. So you stay in a bit of chaos. Okay. So you need to quiet down, because relaxation is a high energy state. That's what people have to understand, is that it actually takes more energy to relax than it takes to stay hyper. Okay, it's the opposite. When you close your fist like this, that didn't take any energy. This takes energy.